how to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing in less than 3 minutes. So if you opened Instagram and suddenly can't see which Reels your friends liked, you're about to get a clear answer and quick fixes you can try right now. By the end of this, you'll understand why it happens and what usually helps bring the feature back. First, it's important to know that Instagram does not always show Reels liked by friends consistently. The app frequently changes how social activity appears, and sometimes this section disappears because Instagram is testing updates. When that happens, nothing is broken on your end. The feature is simply hidden or turned off temporarily. One of the most common fixes is updating the app. If Instagram hasn't been updated in a while, some features stop showing correctly. Open your App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available update. After updating, the Liked by Friends section often returns automatically. Another simple step is logging out and logging back in. This forces Instagram to reload your account data and rebuild your feed and social activity. If the issue appeared suddenly, this refresh alone can bring the picture back. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram from loading social details even if Reels still play normally. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can trigger a fresh sync. In some cases, the issue is tied to account behavior or recent changes. If you adjusted privacy settings or limited interactions, Instagram may temporarily reduce visible social activity. Clearing the app cache can help the app sync properly again, even though there's no direct setting for liked Reels by friends. If none of these steps work, the most likely reason is that Instagram has limited or removed the feature for your account or region. Sometimes the feature does not return until Instagram enables it again for your account, and there's nothing you can do to fix your side. The key thing to remember is that Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing does not mean your account is broken. In most cases, updating the app, refreshing your login, or waiting for Instagram's next update is enough to restore it.